From clasping jewelry, wrapping gifts, to opening, those stubborn jars. We're going to make life a little bit easier because our girl, Christina Daves, is here with some helpful life hacks. We'll be right back. Now I have Christina Daves with us, a good friend of our show, lifestyle expert, podcaster. We're going to get into your life hacks in just a moment, but I want to take the time to congratulate you on your 75th episode this week.
Thank you.
Of your podcast.
Thank you.
Round of applause. Round of applause. How does it feel?
Thank you. It's amazing. It's such a great milestone, and I had an incredible 75th. I interviewed the co-founder of Kate Spade. We talked about how they launched their very first purse. They couldn't get fabric, so they made it out of a potato sack, a burlap potato sack.
That was the original life hack.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Exactly.
Yeah, Kate Spade, that company, amazing.
Amazing.
And so quickly, for people who want to watch your podcast, where can they find it and what type of things do you get into?
Yeah, it's Living Ageless and Bold, wherever you get your podcast. It's also on YouTube. And I interview women over 50 with inspiring stories, reinvention stories, what they're doing now in their lives.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
You're so great.
Oh,
Congrats.
thank you.
Okay, you're here. Let's get to work.
Let's do some hacks.
Help me be fabulous.
Yeah, so I had so much fun MacGyvering things today. So whether you live alone or you're traveling alone, I travel a lot. Certain things are difficult to do.
Right.
So a bracelet. How do you clasp a bracelet? Constantly spinning around. So you can use a bobby pin and hold it on the end. You spin your bracelet around, and then you're able to hook it right in. You do the same thing with a paper clip.
I've done the spinning, but I've never used a bobby pin. It's just like, go back and over this way. Yeah.
Or use just a paper clip. There you go. Hook it right in.
Simple.
Easy peasy, right?
And easy travel pieces.
Okay, now, necklaces sometimes are so hard, right? So we're going to take a piece of tape.
And how do you come up with this? I mean, we know that necessity is the mother of invention.
You figure things out.
Wow.
So you're trying to get your necklace on.
Okay.
What you do is you just tape one piece of it to your neck. And then you go in the mirror. This is hard to do without a mirror, but
yeah, I'm not supposed to be there. It's just you, but yes.
But then you would hook it because you've got it right here, so you can hook it right in the mirror.
And the tape comes right off.
The tape comes right off.
All right, moving down the line here, Christina.
Okay. Now, traveling with a dress. All you need is an alligator clip, some string, or twine. So let's take this kind of a dress.
Okay.
All you do, would you mind holding
that?
I'll
hold it.
Okay, so we're going to take the alligator clip. Your dress is unzipped. Before you put it on, you hook this on. You put your dress on, and then you just pull it up and over. Oop.
You know what? This is perfect, not just for traveling, but for us newswomen. Yeah. Because we have so many mics and IFB cords behind us, and every morning it's that struggle. How do I zip it up?
So you should throw this in the green room.
Got it.
So you've got one. And same thing, if you've got a zipper that has a little bit easier,
hoop.
You could do a hoop. But you want something strong enough that's not going to break.
Got it.
Okay, you're going to love this one. Ever try to put lotion on your back by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, you can't do it, right? We can only reach so far.
Yeah, there's one part that's always ashy, but yes.
Okay, so you get a wooden spoon, get yourself a sock. Just use one of these skinny ones. You put your lotion on. Yeah. There we go.
Simple. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Okay.
We'll try that one today.
Isn't that great? Ever have trouble getting a key off a ring?
Yes, I have.
And we've got nails. You spend money getting your nails done. You don't want to break it. You use a staple remover.
I've never thought to do that. This is next level.
Right? And you'll get your keys right off.
Yeah, and all of these things, actually, I have at home.
Right.
Every last one of them.
You don't have to buy anything. Okay, clothespins are awesome as an extra set of hands for you. So you're wrapping a gift, you want to get things perfect, you can hold it with a clothespin. Let's say you're doing a ribbon, and you want to line it up a little bit.
Just in time for the holidays.
There you go.
Perfect.
And then you can tie it.
Now, one thing, I am an expert at wrapping gifts.
Okay.
That's one thing I do slay. Maybe I'll do that one day on Good Day DC, but yes. That can help as well, but I love the wrap
an extra set of hands, like when you're doing, especially you do it. Okay.
I have it down to a science.
Well, I'd like to watch that segment.
I'll have to do it for you.
Okay.
Finally here, Christina. I think we've got about 30 seconds left.
So you want to hammer a nail in, use this so you don't hit your finger.
I've done that.
Okay. Open a jar. You put a rubber band on to help give you traction on there. Or just use an opener like this, and this will take the vacuum out. And this one, real quick, this is great too. If you have trouble with a button, use a set of tweezers and you can pull the button right through.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a great one.
Well, thank you so much. Where can people go to get some more of these life hacks?
ChristinaDaves.com.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. You're just great all the way around. And I'll take the bobby pins and all that stuff.